This is Cooking with Shoshanna. She's going to show you how to cut a potato.
First, you cut it in half. Sometimes you can do it different ways. How I do it, you take one half and then cut it in half. Keep it high and then start like slicing it. There should be like 4 or 5 slices. Then you lay it down and slice it twice. That should be good. If you think it should be sliced more this way, then you can. Then you did a quarter of the potato. Then you do the next quarter and slice it again from the top. Then lay it down and slice it more. Mommy,
what do you do with
your
your
video? It's really simple to do it. Sorry, I think that's enough. And then you slice the other half in half. And then do the quarters. Do the quarters of the potatoes. Slice them. Like this.
How do you keep from cutting your fingers, Shoshanna?
You keep your fingers like, while you're starting it, you keep your fingers on one half of the potato while you're cutting the other half. Then you kind of barely hold it when you're doing the last cutting part. And then you do the last section. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Hey, tail. Getting in the way. Oh, you're in the video. Who cares?
Great job, Shoshanna. You are such a good cutter. Thanks for showing us how to cut potatoes.